Hello guys, let's learn some colors name. Yellow color, pink color, brown color, dark blue color, sky blue color, orange color, dark green color, purple color, black color, red color, violet color, light green color. Today we are trying to learn some alphabets. A, B, C, D. A for animals. B for butterfly. C for cherry. D for door. E for eggplant. F for fan. G for gun. H for horse. I for iron. J for jellyfish. K for kids. L for lion. M for mango. N for nuts. O for ox. P for pencil. Q for question. R for rainbow. S for sky. T for tree. U for university. V for vanilla. W for window. X for Xerox. Y for yak. Z for zoo. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye.